Hey, hello friends, welcome back to my channel. You are watching Tech UTuber and I am Akash. Welcome to my channel. And in this video, I'm gonna unbox this box. It is Mi A3, the latest product from Xiaomi, and I will be doing a small unboxing video with a small review. Please stay tuned till the end. So don't wasting time. Let's go straight into the video. Thank you. Here is the box. You can see, guys, a new product from Xiaomi, Mi A3, and some of the configuration is given over there. That is 48 megapixel AI triple camera with a primary with Sony IMX sensor, and then fast charging technology, fingerprint sensor, super AMOLED display with Gorilla Glass 5, and 32 megapixel AI selfie camera is written over there. And some of more configuration is written over there. You can see that it is the variant of 4GB and 64GB. And let's open it up. So let's start. So here's the guys. Let's see. Let me check it out, what is inside it. You're getting a seam rejected tool with it. You see, guys, nothing inside. And here's some basic stuffs you will get with it. You can have the Android one support with a soft mobile case with it. Okay, so it is. And the phone is here. You see, it is white in color. Here is the phone. This Mi A3 is written over there. Again, the specification is written over there. Check this out, and you can see that color combination is pretty good, I would say. And let me side it down and just look into this box. What is inside it? Nothing is here. You can see Type C cable, and with it you can see charger is there. The charger is of is 18 watt, guys. Well, you can see fast charging. Okay, let me bring it up. Here you can see, guys. First, open this. While I'm setting up this, stopping this video, and after this the internal, let me tell you the physical overview. In the upper portion of this phone, you will get a 3.5 headphone jack, an IR blaster, and a secondary mic setup. And then here get the seam rejected tool. Let me see first that is hybrid or not. Let's show you, guys. Okay, it's a hybrid slot, it's not a dedicated. you can use it with a memory card with a SIM, or you can use 2 SIM at the same time without a memory card. Though it has a support of 64 GB internal storage, and you can expand this up to 256 GB. The storage should not be the issue. So here you can see not 2 of them are primary speaker grills. That is the primary microphone, the Type-C port, charging, and you can see the speaker grill. Here you can see the volume rockers there, and the lock button, power unlock button, and you can see that the speaker is here, and the front camera, that is AI front camera of 32 megapixel, and rear cameras are of main camera 48 megapixel, and wide angle camera of 8 megapixel and 2 megapixel for depth sensor. Check this out. See that I boot this up, and let me first it's chalk and red. Let me first check out the storage over there. So you can see that it is operating on Android Pie 9 Pie, and the storage you're getting with it, it is of 14.97 that has been used, and rest of these are free. Actually the other apps we're getting, just taking out. So here is a mobile configuration. Next you can see that the camera configuration, I'm going to sample with it. Then zoom it up to 2x and just cross it up to, you can see the wide range. So some camera sample shots will be given in the video. Please check this out. Now you can see guys, the stabilization. Actually I would say that the stabilization is decent actually. Okay. Now guys, doing it at front camera, I would say the camera is okay actually, and also the stabilization. So it is for the front camera. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Thank you for this love and support. We are actually growing. Thank you for the love and support. Please, if you like this video, like this video, thumbs up this video, and share these videos with your friends. If you still not subscribe my channel, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon, because after pressing the bell icon you will getting the all notification from my new videos of my channel, and new upcoming unboxing videos are coming. So stay tuned for this. Thank you so much. Have a nice